lovelies, do you want to make $1,000 daily? Yes, if you want to make $1,000 daily on dropshipping, you're in the right platform. In fact, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be taking you step by step and we'll go deep down on how to make a profitable dropshipping business or dropshipping source of income on a daily basis. So I'll show you what exactly dropshipping is, because some of you know and some of you don't know. I'll also show you how to outsource the products and many more. Please don't. I'll be showing you one of the best ways to do a research study on the products that are moving very well. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says this handset has to bring me money on a daily basis. We are talking about $1,000, and I don't want you to be twisted. I don't want you to feel, oh, because we have some naysayers who are going to say, is it really possible? Yes, it is possible. But first and foremost, I would love to say thank you to every person that always comes back on this channel. Thank you very much. And even all others that entrusted me with your heads, with your eyes, the royal viewers and the students. I love you so much. Happy new month. This is another month that we're going to do the undoables. Anything, provided you focus. Let's dive in now and we see exactly what do you think is dropshipping. Dropshipping, here it is. It's a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. When someone buys from your store, you order the item from a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. This means no storage costs, no upfront costs, and even no bulk purchases. Pure profit potentials. Now here we are. The key to making $1,000 a day is selling the right product. Here is how you can find a winning product. You guys, it is very uneasy, and even it is very bad for someone to try and go to dropshipping and goes to a wrong product which will not sell. Get a winning product. How do you know that this product, if I start it in dropshipping, it will be very perfect? Remember, this is part 2 of the video where we are finding the right winning or viral or searchable products. What I want you to do, you'll go to AliExpress, then there's also Zendrop or CG. These are dropshipping platforms, and you can go there, look out for trending products with high order volume. Because when you go to this AliExpress or CG or Zendrop, you check exactly which items are customers looking for worldwide. Right products, winning products, is to use Facebook ads library and even TikTok. There is TikTok Creative Center, whereby you can go there and see exactly what is selling. Don't forget, we have Amazon movers and shakers. These ones, Amazon movers and shakers, they make you understand exactly which item is trending and which item is being ordered for very well. The aim for problem-solving products or impulse buy items like gadgets, beauty tools, or pet accessories is also very good, because there are things that, like today, I bought something that I didn't know that I can buy but it was impulse buying online. So you can also use this as another pro tip that you can use immediately as you start dropshipping. The way is setting up your store. Remember, I told you that joining dropshipping, the only things that should come into your mind is the product to sell, and you know the moment you get the product, you run and start setting up the store. What do you think? How do you think you're going to set up the store? For you to set up the store, you use some platforms, and these are the platforms that I do recommend. I've used Shopify, so you can go and use Shopify. Why should I recommend you to use Shopify? It is beginner friendly, and it has also the tools, enough tools that all beginners do need. Get a clean, simple theme like or down. When you get these themes, it means they are going to make your life very easy and beautiful. But before you join, already you should be ready to know that it is going to involve writing. What are you going to be writing? You're going to be more of writing on benefits. You know, most people, after knowing that using a guest approach is so good for customers or for people online, and for people even in physical shops, they've tried to use that guest, whereby you find they focus more on features than focusing more on benefits. So I encourage you that be ready to write your descriptions of the products. If you're not a person who knows how to write the products, you can even visit these tools. They can write for you, provided you know the benefits, you know the features. So instead of focusing on the features, like for example, if you have this wallet, you want to get it from anywhere like Amazon and start making it you start making it a dropshipping item, you need to know the features of this. So you don't focus on the features like the color, like you need to focus on that are going to compare, that are going to make the customers easily click and easily know that this is a right product that I've been looking for. So if I was you, instead of writing the color, I would write like the pockets that are inside here. In the description, focus more on benefits, not just features. A feature should be having a benefit. If it is black, that is a feature of this wallet, it should be seconded with a feature, with a benefit. People wants to know what are the benefits of having this black lined leather wallet. So you have to know all those things. Then get how to make high quality images and videos. Do you know why you should have high quality images and videos? Because these ones, they make your sales, they bring up the conversion will be more. You might have a high footfall whereby people will be checking your store, but the moment you don't have a very good images, they might not buy. So learn to do that such that conversion should be high. On your Shopify, and you follow steps. By the way, when you go to Shopify, follow each and every step. If you're a member, you're going to find the link in our members section. But also, if you're not a member, you can just hear it is Shopify. I recommend it. So marketing and advertisement. How do you make sure that you find yourself on top? Because there are very many companies that are doing drop shipping. There are many companies also that are big. So how would you stand out? For you to stand out and make this $1,000 on a week basis, you have to make sure you use Facebook and Instagram ads. You create videos about your products and make sure that you give the hooks of the features and benefits, and even a call to action. Drop them on this. Use TikTok organic ads also. They are very good because products, the posts are engaging. And also, when you having the products on TikTok, most people go for it. You can also use influencer marketing. You get these people with high following. You make them talk about your products, use your products. Also, Google Shopping ads, great for high internet buyers, active, especially the ones which are active researching for that right product that you're going to be having. If you do this right, you can start seeing results within days. Now, I know someone out there say, is 1,000 possible? No, you might not get that 1,000. 1,000, of course, is not possible within a day, right? The moment you're beginning, you have to have a foundation. Everything, including us who are in content creation, social media platform, even in other businesses, you cannot start today and expect yourself to get 1,000. But it is possible in this way. I want you to put down these points. I need you to scale out. If you want to make 1,000 on a daily basis, you have to increase your ad budget for winning ads, especially you contact these people, the social media ad people who are specialized and even how to do them well. They make for you. You test new audiences and lookalike audiences, because you have to do this like simultaneously, such that you can get the right people who are going to take your products. If you want to get $1,000, then you also automate order fulfillment using tools like Desires. And lastly, you launch more winning products to diversify your income streams, because if you have 1, 2, 3 products, it means you are not going to make $1,000. Is it being so much expectant? No, it is not being so much expectant. 4 years back, I had this friend who was developing his dropshipping store when I was seeing, and is a person who gave me, I think, an interview those days. This person, by then, he was just starting a store. Hardly he would not raise, he would not earn $500 a day, but right now he's tripling the amount of money that he's earning from his store. Why? Because the moment you have to accept the process. Now, if you want to make that $1,000 with dropshipping, I want you to start today. You don't need anything. You don't need upfront cost. You only need your phone. You only need for you to search around and see what are the most wanted or selling products, and how are you going to look for them. This is a pro tip. You can use ChatGPT, by the way. You can use Google Ads to find out which products exactly like worldwide, which product are they looking for. Google Ads is going to give it to you. ChatGPT is going to give you those products, and those products, you have to make sure that you know their benefits. You have to make sure that you know their their features. Like, for example, if ChatGPT tells you that they are looking for this kind of bulb, maybe light bulb, you have to go for that, because it is almost also seasonal. So why not go for that? So many successful dropshippers are hitting 1,000 a day within their first few months using these strategies. And that's it, you guys. If you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to make $1,000 daily with dropshipping. Here, you want my free list of top 10 winning products. You can find them as members. You can find them in our membership group. And also, you can ask any other question about dropshipping in any way. You can also join our group if you want to be a member. Just pay the membership. If you want to have masterclass, you're most welcome. So do you think out of these tips that I've explained for you very well, can you start a dropshipping business and target on making $1,000? Yes, you can. If you know you can, put it in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.